Place this little ball of aluminum foil at home, and all the cockroaches will disappear quickly. And when I tell you what's inside, you'll be surprised, because you have this ingredient at home. So stay with me so you don't miss any details. This method will eliminate all the cockroaches in a matter of minutes. To begin, we'll need aluminum foil. We only need one piece, but we won't use it for now. We'll reserve this part. We'll also need sugar. This will be used to attract them, since we know that cockroaches are easily attracted to sugar. It's not surprising that many of them hide in your pantry to gnaw on your sweet foods, especially in homes with children who eat a lot of sweets. It has been proven that the presence of cockroaches and ants increases due to the remains of sugar on the floor and furniture. We'll also need toothpaste. It can be any type you have at home, regardless of the brand or whether it's white or colored. Toothpaste contains substances that are irritating to insects. The chemical component that causes this irritation is capable of eliminating cockroaches, mosquitoes, ants, and other insects. Finally, we'll need an orange, although you can also use lemon. However, we'll only need the peel of the orange or lemon. To do this, we'll use a peeler to peel the skin. The orange peel has a very concentrated and strong aroma with a citrusy smell that keeps insects away. Cockroaches don't tolerate that strong orange aroma, so we can take advantage of it at home. After peeling the peel, we'll take the aluminum foil we had reserved and place all the peeled peel on top. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of sugar and mix everything together with the peel until the ingredients are well integrated. Finally, we'll add toothpaste, approximately the same amount, and mix until we get a homogeneous mass. When we have reached this point, we'll form a ball with the paper, rolling it up very well to secure it. Then, with a pointed object, we'll make some holes around the ball. With only 3 ingredients, you'll protect your home. I'm sure no one wants to have these insects roaming around the house, right? Once ready, you just have to place this trap in the places where you usually see cockroaches. The doors of your house are a good place, since cockroaches usually enter through them, especially through the living room, the kitchen, and others. It's also useful to place it in the bathroom, since many cockroaches enter through the drains.